Hey guys, come here with another unboxing, this time of Phantom Orion BD bearing drive. 40 system, comes with light launcher 2, owner manipulator Chris, 40 bottom, fusion wheel. Alright, let's go ahead and get this open. Let me grab my knife here. Cut that open. Pop open the box. You got the BD. Apparently we got a D125 and a metal tip too. Here's Phantom Orion. Feels pretty heavy for stamina type light bay. Here's the light launcher 2. And there's the rip. And straighten it out here, the rip cord for it. Stick it in there. Show you the stats if it focuses. It's a stamina type bay. And like all 40 bays, it has a mode change. It's, hold on, where are the stickers at? Oh, they're there. It's face pulp. Right there, the sticker, top one. Depicts Orion, one of the constellations. And in Greek mythology, Orion, or the hunter, was the giant huntsman who died at the hands of the giant scorpion, Scorpio, and was placed in the constellation in space along with Scorpio by the god of the sky and thunder, Zeus. Let's go ahead and open up the parts packages. Set the stickers aside because it looks like they're kind of cut off. And I wonder whose stickers those are on the side. So you gotta say, nice black tool, BD bearing drive, free spinning bottom, D125, which I'm just going to put aside because I already have one of those, lithium cornode, new striker. Then I've got this metal spiked, metal sharp flat bang tip. Alright, let's put BD there. Then let me open up Orion itself. Alright, fine. Oh, dropped it. We got Orion's energy ring. Very nice. It's faithful, kind of a goldenish color. And then the PC core and metal frame. If I can get them apart at all. I know they're supposed to come apart. There we go. Use my knife to push it out. Push out the part that was sticking. So now it's apart. Alright, an energy ring. Got these notches on its ends. Sorry. The spikes on the sides to show the top half of his face. And the stickers, it's got I like stickers that go on the Phantom wheel that kind of make it look like a face. And the fusion wheel Phantom. metal frame, circular, big hole in the middle to fit the core. It's kind of smooth and rounded. The blue spheres that you put on when you get the stickers on represent the stars in the constellation, and they're put in a manner that kind of looks like it. On the front, which I don't know where that particular spot is at, looks like a grin with visible teeth and a nose that can be used with the energy ring eye stickers to create a face. When you flip it over, it goes from stamina to attack mode. I believe this is stamina. When you put it on the frame, like the core like this, it's attack. But stamina mode is the most recommended mode. Then we got the core. It's translucent purple and made of plastic, which makes it a PC core instead of a metal core. And it provides little weight from the center, which makes it perfect for stamina. Because of the smoothness of the frame and this, it gives excellent stamina. And BD, people thought that BD is the cause of the great stamina, and I'll tell you about BD in just a second. But when they tested it, it's actually because of BD with Phantom. Phantom Orion is the record for it. It was 7 minutes 12 seconds, and someone broke it with 7 minutes and 35 seconds. It is the longest spinning bay. MBD is like a 4D version of Olborg MS's bearing core from back in HMS, except wider and translucent yellow. It's about the same height as the 230 track. This bottom part is free spinning, which gives it great stamina. And it's one of the tips that has a free spinning thing that doesn't move around when it goes off balance. So if it goes off balance, it'll usually regain stamina or regain balance by itself or be knocked back on by the opponent. And the bottom part is similar to the AS around sharp tip from Soul Blaze. Alright, now that I've got all that explained, I'm going to put the fusion wheel back together here in stamina mode. Put in the energy ring, stick on BD, put it in the face boot, grab one of the stickers, if it'll come off, and stick it on here. As you can see, looks great with it on there. Let me move this stuff aside, and we'll bring in my stadium. Grab Light Launcher 2 over here, and give it a test run. As you can see, it stays in place unless acted upon by another bay. Hell, that one hurt just about as much as grabbing Nemesis to stop it. Alright, hoping to do another unboxing here soon once I get the chance to order more bays. But I am going to do reviews of the older ones I have. Alright, if you like these videos, rate, subscribe, comment, do whatever. Later.